I just stumbled across something that allowed me to engrave a project almost twice as fast as I originally was on my Glowforge. I'll probably do a deeper dive in a future video on this, but I wanted to get it out today as it's a game changer when making dozens of the same item. So how did I cut my engrave time in almost half? I simply changed the orientation of what I was engraving from a vertical to horizontal layout. For instance, these are some pinball targets I've been helping a friend with. I originally had been cutting them in columns, which you can see the Glowforge would take 13 minutes and 51 seconds to engrave and cut. But if I take the same 5 targets and rotate them in a horizontal row, the engrave and cut time is now 7 minutes and 12 seconds. If we use a percent savings calculator, that ends up being just over 48% in time savings. Pretty sweet. This appears to happen because the toolpath is more efficient when it can do an engrave in a long horizontal path versus a bunch of short paths, as it doesn't have to start and stop as many times along the way. So while this may not work for every project, it's something to consider as you are setting up your cut file, as it may save you considerable laser time. That's it for today, but check out the video on the screen to see how I saved almost 90% on material costs when creating prototypes. See you next time.